Vivo X50e 5G with Snapdragon 765G SoC, 8GB RAM launched. Price, specifications. Vivo X50e 5G has been launched in Taiwan. The 5G smartphone joins the company's X50 series of phones that includes the Vivo X50 and the Vivo X50 Pro, both of which are available for purchase in India. The mid-range Vivo X50e 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC and features a 6.44-inch AMOLED display. It features a quad rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary shooter. The phone packs a 4,350 mAh battery with support for 33 watts fast charging. Vivo X50e 5G price. The Vivo X50e 5G is listed on the company's Taiwan website in a single 8GB plus 128GB storage configuration. It comes in two color options, night and water mirror. Although the listing doesn't mention a price, reports by Gizmo China and My Smart Price claim that the phone is priced at 13,990 Taiwan dollars, roughly 35,600 rupees. There is no information on whether the smartphone will make its way to India. Vivo X50e 5G specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Vivo X50e 5G runs on FunTouch OS 10, based on Android 10. It features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 1080 by 2400 pixels, with a water drop style notch. Under the hood, the new Vivo smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card. For photos and videos, the Vivo X50e 5G comes with a quad rear camera setup that comprises a 48-megapixel primary shooter with f/1.79 aperture, a 13-megapixel shooter with f/2.46 aperture, an 8-megapixel sensor with an f/2.2 wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel sensor with a f/2.4 macro lens. The cameras are placed inside a diamond-shaped module. For selfies and video calls, the phone sports a 32-megapixel shooter with f/2.0 aperture. The smartphone comes with several photo modes, including Super Moon, Super Night Scene, Portrait, HDR backlight, and macro. The Vivo X50e 5G packs a 4,350 mAh battery with support for 33 watts flash charge fast charging. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack and NFC support. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and a USB Type-C port. It comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.